Hey, this is Dave with the Purple Bookshelf, and I've got a good book for you today, and that is A Patriot's History of the United States. And I think this book is needed because as our educational system is co-opted, right, and turned into a system and not concerned necessarily with children's education as its primary goal, you see that history books are starting to change. And here recently, I've read a couple articles where they call it different school textbooks. They call the Tea Party, the original Tea Partiers, domestic terrorists, when they were widely regarded as heroes when I went to school. The guys that fought and started the American Revolution. So we start seeing these concepts of that our founders were, these rich guys and all sorts of racism and sexism and bigotry and our textbooks today, they tend to look at all the flaws of the people that started this country and not the totality of the circumstances or where they were trying to go, right? And we're not showing in our history books that America isn't perfect. No country is perfect, but we try to be a beacon of light. We try to look at all men and treat all men equally, right? We've done more as a country, for the concepts of liberty and safety and freedom and freedom to think and to feel and to worship who we choose than any other country and pretty much all countries combined. But if you read our textbooks and you look at the progression, all it talks about is how we're a bunch of evil, greedy, whatever. And so I think this book is interesting because it gives a counterpoint to that, right? And it's not, my country is always wrong. It's that, my country might make mistakes because people make mistakes, but we try to be the fountain of hope and the beacon of liberty, right? And I definitely think if you have kids, you need to think of that and help spread that message to them, kind of to counteract some of the negativity that they may get in the school system. So anyway, I'm not down on teachers by any means, though, but the system, I think, is broken. So, A Patriot's History of the United States, it's a good book. It has a lot of interesting things in it that you might not hear otherwise. Behind the scenes look at the War 1812 and all the things that the First Lady did to protect our documents from being burned by the British. Really, really interesting stuff. So I think you should definitely read this book. And until next time, you can always get you online, www.purplebookshelf.com.